Yo, what's going on? My name is Chase. You're now tuning in Chaseway YouTube channel, which showcases my life, the things I'm passionate about, and what Arkansas has to offer. If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button so you can be a part of the driving squad. Make sure you like this video, because if you didn't know, once you like this video, you let everybody know on YouTube that Chaseway is valuable. So, go on and share this video with your friends and family members and let them know that, it's popping over here. But let's get in today's video. Driver Squad, what's going on? Chaseway back with another video. Let me go and put y'all on the screen recording because I got some updating to give y'all. As y'all know, I did put my money, some more money into the stock market. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And as I'm pulling up cash out right now, as you can tell, I have a total of over $1,500 in the stock market with a total gain of $73. So I'm going to give y'all a little rundown of what stocks are doing good and what stocks are making me lose some money. So Peloton right now, which is a company about travel and leisure. So it operates an interactive fitness platform, and it operates its business in 3 reportable segments: connected fitness products, subscription, and other. Connected fitness products revenue consists of sales of bike and tread related accessories, associated fees for delivery. Dang, I ain't know it was all that dope. Nope. So that's been booming. I'm glad I bought some more. I'm about some more stock in it. So I got $100 invested. I have a total gain of $18, so that's doing very well. Aptiv is doing great. GlaxoSmithKline is doing great. Uber then jumped up. United Health Service is doing good. Moderna, I still don't know how to say that to this day. It's doing good, almost up to $8. Encia is $7.19. Pinterest, $5.93. iRobot, $4.16. Excellence, $4. And this where everything is underneath $5. Qualcomm is $3.37. Medtronic, $2.80. Health Catalytic, $1.67. So we also have some new shares, but I'm gonna go over that in a little minute. General Electric is $1.21. Under Armour, 71 cents. Gilead Science, 20 cents. Chronos Group, 17 cents. Infosys, I'm breaking even. Nike went down. Chesapeake Energy went down. Disney went down. One Life Healthcare went down. Carnival went down. North Life went down. Zoom is kind of going up, but it's still down. Whitening Petroleum is down, but it's kind of going up. And Aurora Cannabis is going down. So what ended up happening was I invested already in the Aurora campus, but what ended up happening was on Qualcomm I invested $50 more into Qualcomm. Medtronic I invested $20. Health Catalytics I invested $50. Disney I invested $105. Infosys I invested $100. One Life Healthcare I invested $120. Chronos Group $50. Under Armour another $50. Uber another $50. Northern LifeLock is a new stock. Northern LifeLock, Aurora Cannabis, and I invested some more. I was gonna take it out, and I just got some dividends earned from owning Dow Jones, so I got 7 cents back. So all the new companies that I invested in was Health Catalytic, Disney, Infosys, One Life Healthcare, Chronos Group I think I already owned that. Yeah, that's not new. Northern LifeLock and Aurora Campus, which I already own. So those are my new companies that I invested in from the last video that I said I was going to invest in. I just dropped my strategies video, so if you want to check that out, click that link down below. How do I go about investing in the companies and stuff like that? Let me see. There was something else that I would like to tell y'all about. I read up on Aurora Cannabis, and it said that the guy, what's his name? The owner, Terry Booth, he dumped $12 million out, and I was gonna like sell. I was gonna dang, I can't even think. I was gonna sell all my shares on because he dumped 12 million. But when I went to go look at the company value, it's worth $1 billion. So that's just to make the stock market, I mean, just make the share price lower, to speak out to the masses of, hey, this is not a good thing to invest in. So I went ahead and kept all my money simply because it's down right now, but it's gonna go up, just like how oil prices and like some of the oil stock. So like I still got one oil natural gas, and this is an independent oil and gas company. So as things are going on in the world, it's appear that oil and gas is not needed, but it's manipulation just so people can take their money out of it, keep the stock going low, and then the rich people take advantage of this. So I'm putting my money in now, so if I lose it, I just lose it. I lost my money on other things, but when it comes to the stock market, you gotta be focused. So like I was saying, I had this transition to the phone. So like I was saying, just because you see a negative number, that do not mean anything. Just because just because you see a negative number, or you see that you're not making no profit right now, just be patient and remember, as long as you keep investing now and catching the share price at a lower point, it's going to rise, it's going to incline, because how the stock market manipulates from the beginner people, which I'm a beginner people, but one of my strategies that I use, I'll listen to other smart individuals. So as people has been studying finances and what's been going on with the world, with recessions, people losing their job, world problems, United States problems, this is all manipulation. This is all manipulation. So it causes fear to the people to take their money out, which lowers the stock prices. And then the rich million and billionaires, they invest in these companies, and then out of nowhere, the stock prices just go up. But I don't know how they be knowing this information, but it just, some people be knowing, like the million and billionaire people, but for the smart individuals that's been studying the market, they've been saying, just hold tight, just don't worry about losing your money, because it appears that you're losing your money, and we living in the present, but in the future everything is gonna shoot up. So that's why I'm investing so much money in right now, because I know it's gonna shoot up. So hopefully those of you that already got y'all stimulus check or about to get y'all stimulus check, I say please, at least I know at the beginning I was saying $25, but you got $1,200 free dollars. At least do 10% of that in the stock market, because everybody that's successful, over 90% of the successful people in this world, or that are multi-million billionaires, they either own real estate, they have their money in the stock market, or they own their own business. And that's what it's all about, surviving, having that balance of financial freedom. You have your own business, you have your money in the stock market, and you understand that you gotta invest. You have to invest. That's the only way that you get money from dividends. You let the money work for you. And as people go attend back to their regular daily schedule, where they spending money on whatever they want, previously things that they are passionate about, their addictions and stuff like that, it just gonna keep going up. And that's the sad truth about a capitalistic economy. That's the only way you thrive, by putting your money in the system, and the system just works. So you gotta understand that investing in stocks is very, very important. But hey, you ain't gotta listen to me. But if you're watching, please, I mean, if you're here for a reason, and I just want to see people win. I'm gonna be honest. I just want to let's just get out the mindset of we think a job can save us or just saving money. Because if you put it like, if you save $100 each paycheck a month, that's $1,200. But if it's not, if the interest not compounding, which meaning as you are putting $100 in once a month and you're not getting at least 1% of that added on top, which is free money, it's still gonna be $1,200. But if you're getting a 1% of $100, that's $1 each month. And then it go from $1 for 1 month, it go to $2 the next month because you invested $200 in. Then it go to $3. So now you done got $6 within 3 months. And that's what interest compound mean. Like you compounding interest and it's just building on top of each other. So hopefully this video was helpful. And you know, this is just to update y'all on my portfolio, seeing what stocks that I bought and things like that. You don't have to invest in any of these things, but it's just something to take a look at. Pay attention to the ones that's negative and not the ones that's positive. But you can also pay attention to the graph. If you think a stock reaches peak, don't invest. If you think like you got some more room to grow, think about it, invest. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. Thank y'all for tuning in. Chase Way is out. Peace.
Nah, for real. I pull up no star for real. I hop in the whip and take off, you know I'm on my